The Godfather, released in 1972, is a classic mafia drama that tells the story of an Italian-American family's crime, loyalty, and power. Directed by Francis Ford Coppola and featuring a legendary performance by Marlon Brando, it became one of the most successful films in the world. The story begins with the famous line, "No one can refuse a request on his daughter's wedding day." You'll witness how what seems like an ordinary wedding opens the gates to the deep politics of the mafia world. The story begins at a wedding. Don Vito Corleone's daughter is getting married. Outside, there's music, laughter, celebration. But inside, in a dimly lit office, the Don listens as people come to him, seeking justice. This is no ordinary wedding. It's a display of silent power. A moment to show the reach of the Corleone family. Here, joy is born not just from love, but from fear and deep respect.
The Godfather Part 1 The Reluctant Son.
दुनिया जहां इज्जत और खौफ का राज है, वहां डॉन वीटो कोर्लियोन गॉडफादर है। लेकिन इसका छोटा बेटा माइकल माफिया से दूर रहना चाहता है। वो साफ दामन है, तालीम याफ्ता है, जंग का हीरो है। मगर जब कातिलाना हमला खानदान को हिला देता है, माइकल साए में दाखिल हो जाता है। वो गोली चलाता है और एक नया गॉडफादर उभरने लगता है।